My boy Zay, he said, what else do lenders look at besides your credit score when trying to get a loan or a credit card?
Okay. Do you mind if I share my screen?
I don't mind. No.
Okay. I'm gonna log
Long
into
as we ain't got no, you know what I'm saying?
no, I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna give you an example of what people look at as far as. Okay, so this is an example of a bad profile. Okay, so the payment history is good. They do have 100% payment history. This is no credit card usage. This person has 0 credit cards. They don't have any revolving credit. The bank does not know if they can pay their payments on time or not. They have 5 collections, which you see is a high impact. These top 3, they impact your credit the most. Your payment history, your credit card usage, and your derogatory marks, which is your collections. You're supposed to have 0 collections on here. The payment history needs to be above 99%. The credit age, this person's credit age is 11 months. The average credit age is supposed to be 7 years. The total accounts, you're supposed to have at least open and close 14 accounts. The increase is 8. Now with the inquiries, I've seen credit reports who have more than 60 inquiries on one credit bureau. And most of the times, the reason why they have so many inquiries is because of them trying to purchase a vehicle. Now, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but when you go to a dealership and you try to go get a car, they are going to send your credit to any bank they think that will approve you, no matter how many times they run your credit. So when you pull your report probably next day, you're going to see several inquiries for the same date listed. You're going to see the same inquiries for the same date listed back to back, because that's something that will show as far as you having I'm sorry, can you stop sharing? Let me share. Oh, it's still sharing? Okay, sorry, I got a call. Okay, so it's gonna have several inquiries because they shotgun your credit. That's what they call it. So basically they ran it through Wells Fargo, Santander, Exterior, Capital One. Anybody you can think of, they ran it through them to try to get you in a car so they can make a sale. And that really hurts your credit. You're supposed to only have 2 inquiries on your credit because you only get 2 free ones a year. That's just what you're supposed to have. That really helps your credit. And so that's an example of a bad profile. I would recommend a trade line on this profile because the credit history is only 11 months. It has a medium impact on your score, but it's still very important. Basically, a trade line is a line of credit that is not your credit, but it appears on your credit as if it is your credit, and you're piggybacking, you're piggyback riding someone else's credit, someone else's payment history, someone else's credit limit, just so you can become eligible to get your own.